Hey, Team Numis Canada. We got great news. We just hit 3,000 watch time hours, which means membership is now available if you want to become a member of Team Numis Canada with Bruce. Everybody who's a subscriber is part of Team Numis Canada with Bruce, but now we will have team members that are within Team Numis Canada with Bruce will have memberships. So how cool is that? And of course, we're going to start off small with one level, and it's 99 cents a month. And of course, for that, you will get loyalty badges, and initially they will be stars, but as you grow beyond a year, they will start to change to coins. And the final one is the Numis Canada with Bruce logo. If you remember that one, we'll have a handful of custom emojis, and of course, as we get more members, we'll be able to add more emojis to the list. And what you'll get is priority reply to comments. I won't just say thanks for watching. I'll say thank you for being a member. Thank you for your longtime support. It'll be more involved, and you'll have priority responses. As soon as your message comes in, as soon as I see it, I will respond. And you will also get member-only polls. So you'll be able to tell me, as members, what you want to see coming soon in the channel. We'll be adding more benefits as time goes on, but for now, we're going to try it out with this one level. So if you want to support Team Numis Canada with Bruce, please become a member today. I look forward to you joining the Team Numis Canada as a member, and thank you to everyone who does. And even if you don't and you just want to remain a subscriber, that's cool too.